Today I'm going to be installing the Pan Tilt Indoor Cam by Ring. Here's the hardware that comes with the Ring Tilt Cam. We've got a 10-foot power cord, a switching adapter, a bracket for the Ring Tilt Pan Cam, and a bracket for the bracket, and also some mounting hardware. You can scan the QR code on the back of the camera. This is covered up, just peel this back to expose it. Or you can also scan the QR code that comes in the instructions. Pick a spot where you want to mount the tilt cam. This is the mounting bracket. I'm going to mount it right here in this corner and run the power cord through here into the laundry room receptacle. Here's the mounting bracket. It only has 2 holes. You want to mount it in the up position, just like it says. Just gonna give this a quick eyeball. I think this looks good here. It's easy enough to move if I need to move it in the future. Nice and sturdy. Now that my bracket is secured to the wall, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bracket onto the wall bracket. There's a hole right here. I'm gonna use this for the power cord. I'm gonna run this right under and up. It's a C-type connection that inserts into the back of the Ring Cam. With this power cord in, I'm gonna lock this into place by lining everything up and then pulling forward just slightly till you hear it lock. Now I'm just routing this power cord through the top corner. I'll be using these small cable clamps to secure the wire to the wall and run it over to the receptacle. My wire is routed all the way over to the receptacle and it's pretty much the perfect length. Now it's just time to plug in the ring. Right now it's going through the calibration phase. The setup to the Wi-Fi was flawless. I have lots of other Ring products and I've never had an issue with any of the setup before. Now I'm in the setup mode with the home position, so I can move the camera to where I want it all the time. I don't want the ceiling to be look that much, and just kind of want to get the whole room in there. This looks good, so I'm going to save that. For now, I'm just going to use the default motion settings. And it also integrates with your Ring alarm system if you have that, which I do. So I am going to only have motion detection on in away mode. This is unedited video quality of the Ring Tilt Cam and the audio quality coming right at you. Here's a semi-blacked out version of the room to try and show you what it might look like at nighttime. That's the basic install and quick setup of the new Ring Pan Tilt Cam. There's many other customizable features that you can use with this indoor cam. I would like to see a direct hardwired version of this someday, even though it's easy enough to modify the cord if you know what you're doing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. My name is Dave. See you on the next one.